Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attends G20 Digital Economy Ministers meeting, says India's digital public infrastructure offers scalable solutions for global challenges. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expresses happiness over Meghalaya's pineapple receiving due recognition in domestic and international markets. Three-day Meghalaya Pineapple Festival gets underway in national capital in presence of Union Minister Giriraj Singh and Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. And KHADC holds meeting with various stakeholders to discuss border settlement between Assam and Meghalaya. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India's digital public infrastructure offers scalable, secure and inclusive solutions for global challenges. Virtually addressing the G20 Digital Economy Ministers meeting in Bengaluru today, the Prime Minister stressed the unique opportunity with the G20 forum to lay the foundation of an inclusive, prosperous and secure global digital future. He has called upon G20 delegates to work on a global technology-based ecosystem to address the challenges faced by humanity.
Direct benefit transfer. This is a city that is home to science, technology, and the spirit of entrepreneurship. There is no better place than Bengaluru to discuss the digital economy. We have leveraged technology to transform governance, to make it more efficient, inclusive, faster, and transparent.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed his happiness over Meghalaya's pineapple receiving due recognition in domestic and international markets. In response to Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma's social media post on Pineapple Festival at Dilli Hut in New Delhi, the Prime Minister stressed that such endeavours celebrate the country's diverse agricultural heritage and empower farmers. Sangma informed that Meghalaya's pineapple, with its sweetness measuring high Brix value of 16 to 18, is gradually making it a sought-after fruit by retailers across the globe. Union Minister for Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Giriraj Singh, in the presence of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Friday, inaugurated the three-day Meghalaya Pineapple Fest 2023 organized by the Meghalaya government at the iconic Dilli Hut INA, New Delhi. The festival was a mark to celebrate Meghalaya's famed produce, the succulent Keo pineapples. Addressing the inaugural function, Giriraj Singh shared his thoughts on the significance of agricultural diversity and collaboration between states. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that this event marked a significant moment in the state's journey to showcase the essence of Meghalaya's culture, agriculture and unity.
This is one step towards trying to really push the agenda for the farmers. Now we all know, I won't take much time, but we all know we almost produce about 1.4 lakh metric tons of pineapple every year. And the pineapple is, of course, one of the sweetest in the country and, of course, very much organic in nature. And hence, we have felt that there's a large market for this and our farmers are not able to reach out to those markets. So this step is really one of the small steps we're taking to give that accessibility, not just to our pineapple farmers, but to all the different farmers in our state.
A breastfeeding kiosk was installed today at Bethany Hospital, Nongrim Hills by the Inner Wheel Club of Shillong. Speaking as the chief guest, District Medical Health Officer Dr. Adrina Lingdo said that setting up a kiosk has eliminated one of the barriers of achieving exclusive breastfeeding. Lingdo stressed on the first hour initiation of breastfeeding. Speaking on the occasion, consultant pediatrician of Bethany Hospital Dr. Uma Ghosh highlighted the importance of breastfeeding, saying that it is beneficial for both mother and child.
For which I request our chief guest, Dr. Our Club President, Mr. Rashi Vaswani, to kindly address.
Very own Mrs. Silo and her family members.
But there is a difference when it comes to the type of health delivery in the other countries, which I felt that we cannot emulate that the same way, but at least we can change our approach or our understanding of the young people. And we do have a program for the RKSK, Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya Karyakram, which focuses on the age group of 10 to 19. And this is also another important issue which I felt that every citizen of this, of this state of Meghalaya should take, a kind of a serious note on where we are going as a society.
The Boundary Committee of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council yesterday held a meeting with the stakeholders to discuss the border settlement between Assam and Meghalaya. The KHADC is working towards establishing a unified voice among community leaders from 5 distinct areas of border disputes ahead of the visit of the regional committees to the places. The KHADC held a meeting with community leaders on Friday. The community leaders who attended the meeting are from Dej Domria, Nongwa, Mautamur, Borduar, Langpi and Block 2. Talking to newsmen, KHADC's Deputy Chief Executive Member PNCM said the council wanted to ensure that the residents of these 5 disputed areas express the desire before the regional committees that they want to be a part of Meghalaya.
area of difference. Sim khairim lawan bat kajing tenduk jing takasi talong syai bang ikwa iya kawa ipai ba ke basyong ang bisnong kin yami pai ba hakanu kan gopor ba kahiar ka regional committee jong ka Meghalaya berasap ban tenpau pai ba ya ka jing lakoi jungki wil ke jungki ban ya don lang bat ka state Meghalaya jungi.
Meghalaya's Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar yesterday attended the annual Bedian Club Festival of Seinraj Mukla, which marked the end of the festival season. On the final day of the festival, the Thingkhan Kong ceremony took place in the morning at Yung Blai, Yung Langdo, followed by Chot Thendai with Dien Waliar U Langdo and other respected leaders who performed rituals for the Siem Klam and Ram Shillong. Later in the day, the festival concluded at Biar in the presence of Dhar. He was accompanied by Jawai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla, Deloy Jawai Puramon Kinjing, leaders from Seinraj Jawai Tuber, dignitaries and thousands of spectators. This year, the festival saw the participation of Nyamtre believers from Mukla village and nearby localities. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 25.7 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 18.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 91%, while in the evening was 72%. 2.1 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. The forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attends G20 Digital Economy Ministers meeting, says India's digital public infrastructure offers scalable solutions for global challenges. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expresses happiness over Meghalaya's pineapple receiving due recognition in domestic and international markets. 3-day Meghalaya Pineapple Festival gets underway in national capital in presence of Union Minister Giri Raj Singh and Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. And KHADC holds meeting with various stakeholders to discuss border settlement between Assam and Meghalaya. And that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Good night.